Can you sync video edits to music beats automatically in Instagram Edits app? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application edits. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Import any of the video by clicking on this plus icon or simply move into the video that you have imported. It will land you on this page. Once the edit of this video has been done, now if you want to sync this video with the music beat automatically, then if you check out in the bottom of the page, tons of different menus will be visible to you. But you can see that there is no any option or the feature where you can sync your video to music beat. Well, it's because this feature has not been updated in the application edits. So what you want to do is, you simply have to wait for edits to update this feature, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.